If I asked you what business McDonald's is in, what would you say? Fast food? Restaurants? Hospitality? You would be wrong. McDonald's is not a restaurant chain. Technically, they are one of the world's largest, most ruthless real estate hedge funds. Selling burgers is just a side hustle. The burgers exist for one reason only: to pay the rent. Today, we're looking at the insane financial strategy that turned a burger stand into a $40 billion real estate empire. In the 1950s, Ray Kroc was struggling. He was expanding McDonald's across America, but he was broke. He was making pennies on every burger sold, and the franchisees were difficult to manage. Then he met a financial genius named Harry Sonneborn. Harry looked at Ray's books and said something that changed history. He said, "Ray, you don't build an empire off a 15-cent hamburger. You build it off the land the hamburger is cooked on." This is the Sonneborn Model. McDonald's corporate buys the land. They buy the best street corners in the world. Then they lease that land to the franchisee. The person flipping the burgers pays for the equipment, the staff, and the supplies. But crucially, they pay McDonald's a massive monthly rent. And here is the insane part. The rent is calculated as a percentage of their sales. The house always wins. If the franchisee sells more burgers, the rent goes up. If the franchisee goes bankrupt, McDonald's kicks them out and brings in a new one. But McDonald's keeps the land. Today, McDonald's owns about $40 billion worth of real estate. They are arguably the biggest private owner of retail property in the world. Think about it. When you buy these fries, you aren't paying the chef. You are paying the landlord. This makes McDonald's recession-proof. In a bad economy, other restaurants fail because they can't pay their landlord. McDonald's is the landlord. They control the fixed costs. They control the supply chain. They control the game. But their control strategy gets darker. Let's talk about the ice cream machine. Why is it always broken? It's not bad luck. It's a monopoly. McDonald's forces franchise owners to buy a specific machine from a company called Taylor. These machines are notoriously fragile and complex. When the machine breaks, it gives a cryptic error code. The employees can't fix it. The owner can't fix it. They are contractually locked out of the repair menu. They have to call a certified Taylor technician who charges hundreds of dollars an hour just to type in a secret passcode. It's a repair racket. Taylor makes 25% of their entire profit from repairing the machines they built to fail. And McDonald's enforces this. It's a closed loop where the franchise owner bleeds money to the corporate partners. McDonald's is a masterclass in business strategy. They realized early on that the product, the burger, is irrelevant. The burger is just the bait. The real business is control. Controlling the land, controlling the lease, and controlling the machinery. So the next time you see the Golden Arches, don't think of it as a restaurant. Think of it as a bank vault that smells like French fries. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more insane business strategies.